Hey, Alana.
Hey, Jeff.
Welcome to today. Luke wasn't able to film with us on this moment with Alana, but we're
It's all
here.
good.
It's the week before Halloween, Alana's favorite holiday, and we are
Best
going.
time of the freaking year.
Yes, so we are going to actually kick off this entire video. There are other guests in this video that will be right after Alana, and we're gonna smell Black Phantom and Dark Lord by Kilian.
Let's do it.
I figure those names are pretty Halloween-y.
I would say so.
Yeah, so getting in the mood of the season, that's why we chose those two. And let's just see what she prefers between Dark Lord and Black Phantom. All right, the first one Alana's gonna smell is Dark Lord.
Such a name. So exciting.
Let me know what you think of Dark Lord.
Interesting. I like it, but like, I don't know if I like it on somebody. It smells interesting. It smells like you walk in. Okay, so there's this store in Burbank I really like. And it's like they have all these awesome incense and they'll make candles for you with like intentions set to them and everything. Very Alana vibes. And this is what the store smells like. So it smells like Halloween, comforting. I'm gonna get a good candle made. So
It's a little
maybe,
musty to me.
Yeah, it's very musty. Like it has that. So I feel like in a candle, but on someone, I don't know if I'd be attracted to it.
Cool.
What do you think?
I think it smells kind of like an old couch.
Yeah. Haunted house.
I mean, there's a little bit more to it than just old
Yeah.
couch, but
I
like the
don't know if
mustiness of it, that's what the vibes it gives me the most.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd like it on somebody.
Scale of 10?
Maybe like a 3,
3.
4.
Cool.
Yeah. I don't think it would like catch my senses if somebody's wearing it. I'd be like, you smell good.
And now, are you ready for Black Phantom?
Yes.
Now, you did smell this in our last year's Halloween video. However, that's a year ago. You probably don't even have the same thoughts on it anymore.
Yeah,
So we'll
it's
find out the
2020
thoughts
Let's
of
find
Black
out.
Phantom.
There's some interesting things happening right now in here. Again, I don't know if I'd like this on somebody. Don't love it. It's average to me. I'm not really a huge fan. What do you think?
It's not for me.
Yeah.
It's a dark honey smell. I
Yeah.
personally don't think I could rock this one. It feels like it needs like really cold weather to like
Yeah.
really pop.
Like you're walking in the snow.
Yeah.
This
So
might be your guy.
on the openings, which one do you prefer?
Maybe Dark Phantom?
Black Phantom.
Yeet.
Black
Mix the
Phantom and Dark Lord.
two. Black Phantom. I think I prefer this one. The Dark Lord might be a little too musty.
Yeah.
Again, I think these would be pulled off well in very specific times. So I don't know. If
I
these
feel
are
like
easy
you have to be
wears.
the right person to wear
Yeah.
each of them.
Yeah, I agree. I don't think these are just something you can just like throw on as you're leaving the house and you're like, that'll work.
And scale of 10 on Black Phantom, I didn't ask you that.
Oh, maybe like a 4. I mean, they're close. I don't love either of them, so I'm sorry, guys. But yeah.
Cool. Peace. So on the dry downs, Alana.
I just got so serious.
You did.
No, you did.
I
So
did.
on the dry down.
Let us know what you think of Black Phantom. Still a 4?
Yeah, I don't love it. It has such a cool name, but it's not a really cool smell.
And
Yeah.
Dark Lord? Even worse?
Yeah.
Did both get worse?
They might have. I feel like they had weird openings, and I was just like, are you guys gonna settle into those? And they definitely did, and it just got weird. I don't like that. It smells like
I'll let you hold both.
mothball-y. Yeah. I
Keep-
feel if I have to pick, I like this one better.
Black Phantom.
Yeah. Then
I definitely think Black Phantom is the better of the two as
yeah.
well. And I also think they both work better. Well, Black Phantom works best in cool and cold weather.
Yeah.
And you need to have that personality and vibe to truly rock with that one.
There's someone out there that's gonna kill this one.
Yeah.
Let us know.
I don't think it's for everybody.
I don't either. Like I can't envision like me or any of my like friends wearing this. Like no one is like coming to my mind of like, yo, that would be good on them. I don't know. Someone will kill it though. Yeah, they're just interesting.
All right. Thanks, Alana.
You're welcome.
Jackie, the next one too that we're gonna have you smell is for our Halloween video. So happy Halloween, because there's spooky names. One's called Dark Lord, and one's called
Black Phantom.
by Kilian.
Spooky.
So I'm just gonna spray one because it's a pretty strong fragrance. So let us know what you think of Dark Lord.
Sorry, if like you told me on the street like it's Dark Lord, I'd be like, okay. This is like really earthy to me.
Yeah.
I kind of like it. I'd give it like a 7. Probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and Black Phantom.
Thank you. Ooh, it's gonna be that one for me.
Dark Lord.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. And on the dry down, Dark Lord or Black Phantom?
Dark Lord.
Dark
Hands
Lord.
Dark
down,
Lord.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alrighty.
Dark Lord by Kilian versus Black Phantom by Kilian.
Dark names.
Yes. So, Dark Lord.
No, I don't like this one.
Leather.
Yes, like
Leather.
it smells like I'm going into like a room, like either like a wine cellar or like a room that's full of like wood and leather.
Now,
like,
could you
like
picture
a
a-
strong couch smell? Like,
Could you picture a Dark Lord wearing it?
it smells like they would be like it would be on like their like draped clothing, like that's what they're
Like Halloween
Like-
Horror Nights?
like old clothes though.
Yeah. Get that
Old,
must.
like almost like you got it from the thrift store and you need to wash it type thing.
Complete. I can totally get that from it. It doesn't. It smells like a musty leather.
Yeah, I
yeah.
don't like that. It smells like it needs to be washed.
Now Black Phantom.
This one doesn't smell that much better, but it smells better than this one.
Okay.
I mean, I could tell by their names. This is the Halloween. It just describes. It sounds.
Yeah.
It
They're fall
smells
scents.
like what you were
Yeah.
saying. It smells like death. Like it smells like a haunted house.
No.
Yeah, like almost like dry smoke in a haunted house.
Okay.
Or is that what it's called? Dry smoke.
Dry ice.
Dry ice.
Yeah.
Dry ice. In a haunted house.
Okay.
Cool. So Black Phantom's your winner.
Yeah.
Cool.
Great. Jade, which one do you appreciate more, or like more, or think is more interesting? Dark Lord or
Black Phantom.
Whoa.
dun, dun, dun. Okay. Let me know what you think of Dark Lord.
Ready for
Perfect
this?
name for Halloween. I'm not gonna lie. Like,
Is this like what Voldemort wears?
do you picture Voldemort wearing this then?
Yes. This is definitely a faceless man. No, I'm kidding. This is dark. This is mysterious. This is super musky. It's This is a bold person.
Yeah.
Or couch.
We think it smells kind of
Like
like a
a
musky
leather
leather couch.
It does. It does. Let me see what this one provides.
All right.
Okay.
Black Phantom.
Black Phantom.
I like this a lot more.
That's been the general consensus so far.
Yes.
So I'm getting that vanilla. I'm getting that sweet. Can you help me? What is
It's
it?
honey.
Is okay. Well,
Oh,
I was
yeah.
very close. It's still super awesome for Halloween, but this is gonna have more girls on you. I think it's less abrasive
Yeah.
than this.
I still think the weather and everything has to go perfectly with each.
This is definitely
Yeah.
older too. This is the
Cool.
winner for
Black
sure.
Phantom.
Black Phantom.
Cool.
What do you think of the dry downs between Black Phantom and Dark Lord? And I'm going to throw in a little bonus for you to decide is what kind of occasion would you wear these for?
Okay. I stand by my original assessment.
Black Phantom.
Definitely Black Phantom. This got more couchy
Yeah.
and strong, and this is like a CEO who kind of doesn't want to talk to anybody. This is very bold, very bold. This is inviting, so I would definitely go Black Panther. This is more of an all-around occasion because it doesn't have that abrasiveness.
All right, Mandy, let us know who wins in the battle of cool names. Dark Lord versus
Black Phantom.
by Kilian. Which one do you want to smell first, Dark Lord or Black Phantom?
Dark Lord, let's start.
All right. Let us know what you think of Dark Lord.
Dun dun dun. No, I'm just kidding.
That was hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, this is choking me out.
I don't care for this.
Yeah, it's a little musty for me and Luke.
Yeah.
I don't care for it.
Yeah.
Already? And
You're like,
Already?
you're like, guys, don't wear this one.
Do
Yeah.
not.
All right. I hope
This one is so strong. I
Yeah,
guess.
it's an old couch.
totally. This one's better than Dark Lord. But I'm not super fond of this smell either, I must say.
So your winner between the two is Black Phantom, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
But you wouldn't want to smell either on a guy?
No.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Very honest of me to say,
Hey, save you guys some money.
but yeah, I guess.
Let's just find out how you think of them on a dry down. So Dark Lord versus
Black Phantom.
by Kilian.
Still on the dry down is just not my cup of tea.
So which one still wins? Black Phantom still better?
Black Phantom, if
Yeah.
I had to choose.
Awesome. Thank you, Mandy.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Okay, Chelsea, these are some Halloween-inspired names, at least.
Okay.
Dark Lord versus Black Phantom by Kilian.
Ooh, what
So
a battle.
this is Dark Lord. What do you think of Dark Lord? Okay, good.
Okay.
Couldn't see if I sprayed it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Can smell this one out to here. A leather, right? It's like definitely a dark leather. I literally feel like I'm smelling leather.
Yeah.
I would definitely associate this with like Halloween. They nailed it with that. What is this one called?
It's called Dark Lord. It's not necessarily a Halloween scent. We're just using the names.
But it still feels like it feels fall. It feels October. It feels
Yeah.
like that's when you're gonna get away with this. It doesn't feel like a holiday scent, right?
Right.
Like I wouldn't go to my family's house on Christmas wearing this.
Right.
Leather. That's all I got for you. I do like the smell of leather. I don't know if I like to intentionally smell like leather, so I'm gonna go with a 7.
7. Cool. And Black Phantom.
Put so much on this card. It's like running the letter.
It's like bleeding through.
Yeah.
Okay, well with this one, as opposed to the other, I could smell it from out to here. This one I have to bring in a little bit closer. Ooh, it has a like sweet undertone to it. Vanilla or something? Like a vanilla spice?
Okay.
I don't know, something like that. I definitely like this one better. I feel like this one could be worn more frequently than the other one, personally.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with an 8.
Hey, cool.
Yeah, I like this one.
So winner, Black Phantom, round 1.
Yeah, sneaks up on you.
Yeah.
You know? Can you imagine? I'm like,
And on the dry downs, Dark Lord or Black Phantom.
bum bum bum.
I think I know what's gonna win, but
It's a little less leathery now that it's sat for a second, I will say. But not my particular. Ooh, and this is much more like syrupy. I can't even explain it. If I had to choose between the two, neither are like my all-time favorite, but I would choose this one, Black Phantom.
Black Phantom.
Okay.